Hey, it's Amy Miyamoto here, and welcome back to VEDA Day 22. So we're here at the San Diego Zoo today. The girls and I decided to take a quick pit stop and visit some of the animals on our lovely summer afternoon. And we thought we'd invite you to join us for some of the most humorous highlights. Let's check it out. Okay, we're in front of the reptile house now, and Zoe would like to tell you her snake joke.
There are two snakes. The number one snake said, "Are we venomous?" Number two snake said, "Yes." And yes, why? And then the number one snake said, "I just bit my lip."
Ah, so funny! Okay, now we are heading to the Masters of Flight Hummingbird Aviary. Where? Oh yeah.
Maya, look! Looks like a chickadee. I'm gonna do that part.
We've got bird food. So Maya, what do you want to share with us about hummingbirds?
Why do hummingbirds always hum?
I don't know why.
Because they forgot the word.
Oh, that's a good one. Here we have a sleeping porcupine. What do you have to tell us about porcupines today, Zoe?
What do you get when you cross a porcupine with a turtle?
I don't know. What do you get when you cross a porcupine with a turtle?
A slowpoke.
A what?
A slowpoke.
Ah. So Zoe, what do you got to share?
Why did the lion spit out the clown?
I don't know. Why did the lion spit out the clown?
Because it tasted funny.
Aw, that is silly. So Maya, what did you want to share about elephants?
What do you get when you cross an elephant with a fish?
I don't know. What do you get when you cross an elephant with a fish?
Swim trunks.
No, really?
Mm-hmm.
That is so funny.
Look at that.
So Zoe, are jaguars hard to spot?
No, they come that way.
Ah.
What do you call a grizzly bear without any teeth?
I don't know.
A gummy bear.
Oh. Thanks for joining us.